Hey you guys, Goldilocks and C here, back with another lock tip. I just want to share with you all the importance of watering your hair. For so long, especially black women, we've always been taught to stay away from water and to not get your hair wet. Especially when we used to get perms, but we're not going to go there. Y'all, watering your hair can make the world of a difference, especially as it pertains to shine, growth, and your hair retaining moisture. All it takes is you putting a little bit of water in your spray bottle, lightly misting your roots, and even down the length of your locks. Take your oil. I'll be using the Signature Peppermint Oil by Goldilocks NC. Go through it and then oil your parts, and even put some on your hand and oil down the length of your locks. I'm telling you, you'll thank me later.